It just says in one verse that God was grieved, and in another verse a Holy Spirit was grieved. Nothing about the Holy Spirit being God or that they are one. The term Holy Spirit is only mentioned 3 times in the entire Hebrew Bible. In Psalms 51:13, in Isaiah 63:10, in Isaiah 63:11. And all 3 of these passages are lacking the definitive article, the, meaning that Holy Spirit only refers to God's Spirit being holy. Nothing more, nothing less. You are forcing your beliefs on the Old Testament instead of letting the Old Testament speak for itself. And he did the same thing in the entire video. The Trinity is not only 3 divine persons.